Greetings, thanks for joining me. I'm going to put some curl action into my hair, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it on this short little bob haircut. Let's make it look a little bit more fun. My 1-inch barrel curling iron, I have it set to 360 degrees. It goes up to 395, but I don't want to burn my hair, so I'm going to stick with 360. I'm going to spray my Moroccan sea salt spray all over the hair. Whew, that's some big curly hair. I'm just going to scrunch it a little bit. Mess it up in the back. Maybe spray it a little bit more in the back. For the front pieces, I'm going to use my Argan Oil of Morocco Creamy Hair Butter. And just rake it through the curls. Scrunch it a little bit. If I want to stretch out a curl, I'll just use my boar's hair bristle brush and brush the curl out so that it's not such a tight curl, and just loosen it up a little bit like that. And there you have it. Oh, and you can tuck one side behind the ear. That's really cute. And keep these hanging down in the front. You can pull these forward more into the face. If you want a more dramatic look, just kind of pull these down a little. There. Now all you need is some fun earrings. As always, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you found this helpful. Look forward to seeing you next time. Take care. Bye. This hair is ready to party, yo!